Hi everyone, today we have come up with the recipe of soya pulao, which is an excellent dish for those who are looking for the rich flavor of non-vegetarian biryani and nutrients in the same meal. You can quickly give your boring, usual pulao a masaledar twist to turn it into a delightful pulao which tastes like biryani. So let's start with the recipe.